Hello traders, this is another short to explain why I took this trade on natural gas. I have already pre-shot this on my weekly market outlook, my last weekly market outlook. So after the trade on US oil, which play very well, you can see, I talk about it at the beginning of the week. I enter here at the beginning of the week, took some partial here, and took the rest here. We pretty much tap the target. Okay, now we have the natural gas, which I mentioned in my last weekly market outlook. I was just waiting the a signal to enter. Now I have a signal on 4 hour. Use two successive candle. You can see that's where I get in the trade. So why I took this? I took this trade for the same context I explained last week, because demand is here. Demand is here. We have the last data of natural gas storage. We have a storage down to 42 billion cubic feet, which is proof there is a demand. So that's good. We can also see on trading economics, we have a larger, a larger, a larger than expected storage draw and stronger demand outlook offsets still recovering production. So, plus the fact that we still have concern about the winter storm happening right now in North America, the storage getting very drawn. So, all that prove that there is a demand. So, for me, that's why I get in a trade right there. I put my stop a little bit lower below this low because I don't want to be exposed on some gaps, because I right now I'm taking this trade on Friday night. So I'm expect some gap on Monday opening. Hopefully the Monday gap opening is to the upside. So if I get some gap on Monday, maybe I will I will reduce my risk below this sort of demand here, below this structure. Okay. But right now is pretty much good for natural gas to go to the upside. So my target will be, if I go to the weekly, my target will be this level, which represent the supply zone here. So I will do some partial. If price get in this zone, second partial will be the top of the this demand, and the last target will be the all-time high. Okay. If you want the full analysis on natural gas, how I pre-shot this, I'll let you below the link for my last weekly market outlook where I explain everything.